When it comes to Honda, we all know this manufacturer loves to surprise. And this time, that surprise came at the Osaka Motorcycle Show in the Suzuka 8 Hours. Just imagine, Honda suddenly pulled back the curtain and revealed two new global concepts: the CB400F and CB400F SE. As soon as they appeared, these bikes immediately caused a stir. The design is nostalgic, but mixed with modern technology. It's like seeing an old face given a new suit. So cool. Now, for those who don't know, the CB400F is based on the CB1000 Hornet, with a powerful inline-4 engine. Many say this bike is the spiritual successor to the legendary CBF series, Honda's iconic naked bike that has long been a favorite. So, despite its fresh look, the classic CB aura is still very much alive. And interestingly, there's speculation that the CB1000F will replace the CB1300. This means it could become Honda's flagship naked bike in the larger class. But wait, the rumors are getting wilder. There are rumors that Honda is also preparing to launch a smaller displacement version. According to information from Autobee, Honda is reportedly preparing an all-new CB400F and also a CB500 Super 4. Both motorcycles reportedly retain the classic CB family DNA, but are equipped with modern touches. The engine? A 399 cubic centimeter, 4-cylinder, 16-valve double overhead camshaft, with a power output of over 70 horsepower. Crazy for a 400cc motorcycle? That's pretty fierce. The suspension will use a Showa upside-down SFFBP, plus dual disc brakes with ABS at the front and rear. The frame still uses the steel diamond frame, so it's still tough yet flexible. And there's the most exciting feature: e-clutch. For those who don't know, this is an automatic clutch system that allows you to change gears without having to pull the clutch lever from first gear. This technology already exists on the Honda 650 series, and now rumors are circulating that it will be rolled out to the latest CB400. Imagine a classic motorcycle with a modern feel, practical but still fun.